Hello guys, what is going on? TechRoom here. So for today's video we have yet another keyboard from NUPHY. This is one of the latest keyboard with all the bells and whistles. This is the WH80 wireless magnetic switch gaming keyboard, and of course it has rapid trigger, and this is how it looks. This is the box for it. They also sent us a set of keycaps made for the WH80 series cherry profile. This is how they look. I'm gonna take them out of the box in a second and show you guys as well. And yeah, this keyboard has rapid trigger, wireless magnetic switch made out of aluminum, RGB everywhere. It looks absolutely amazing. Let's have a look around the box. So basically, besides the front, there's nothing you can see, just box contents on the back. So we have the WH80 keyboard, USB-C to A adapter, USB-C to C cable, 2.4 GHz dongle, of course using it in wireless, keycap and switch puller, and a user manual. Yeah, pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're gonna put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. The keyboard and all the accessories come in this beautiful keyboard case. As you can see, WH80 on the front, but we'll get to all of this in a second. Let's have a look at the keycaps first. So it's a double stack pack of keycaps. Of course, we got the full layout right here, transparent, and then we have the rest here. We have a pink space bar as well. If you don't want to use the pink, you can use the included one, or you can use the black one in the top layer. And pretty much that's it with the keycaps. So let's go ahead and put them on the side for now. Now the keyboard, this is how it comes. It's got zips all over, NUPHY branding on the side. So once we open it, we will see all the accessories. So this is a quick guide. Basically, I suggest give this a read so you can understand what this keyboard can do, how to use it, and how to get the most out of it. It will take like a few minutes to read through it. It's really, really useful. We have some spare knobs. They look like knobs, but they're not knobs. They're actually like a switch trigger. And we have the USB Type A to USB Type C adapter right here. We have the wireless dongle, which looks like this, so it's not plug and play basically. They have some writing on it. It says water speed wireless, designed by NUPHY. Basically, to get that high pulling rate and rapid trigger wirelessly, you gotta use this, and it has a really, really cool design. It has a button on the top. And I think you connect this to USB Type-C and the other part to your PC, and you should be ready to go. Just quick connect, but we're gonna check that in a second. We have a branded NUPHY keycap and switch puller, and it actually looks really, really good. Most of the keyboard manufacturers just have the basic black one, which is standard. And we have the cable, which again, very, very premium cable. Super soft as well. This is USB Type-C to USB Type-C. You can use this to charge the keyboard, to connect the dongle, or to use it in wired mode. And now that we finish with the accessories, let's have a look at the keyboard. So we flip this, the keyboard is underneath. Let's try to pull it out with one hand. It's a bit heavy because it's made out of aluminum, and everything else is just premium materials. So let's just have a look at the keyboard. We have a 80% layout. We have the arrow keys right here. We have the F keys. Nothing is missing. Insert, delete, home, and page up and page down. And we have a volume knob as well. We have a mode switch, so you can switch between mode 1, mode 2, and mode 3. And we have between wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz. It's a 3-mode connection. So if you switch it to 2.4, it should light up Obviously it's not connected now, but I just want to show you guys what it does. We have a light bar right here, so we have some LEDs on the front. It's blinking now. I think it's looking for a connection, but because it's not connected, it will keep blinking. And if we have a look on the bottom, we have these two rubber strips on the top and on the bottom that will keep the keyboard in place on your desk. You won't slip anywhere. We have some branding right here, WH80 NUPHY wireless magnetic switch gaming keyboard. And on the top, of course, we have the USB Type-C port for charging or using it in wire mode. And pretty much that's it. That's what you get in the box. So for now, let's go ahead and set it up to our PC. I will set everything up, my mouse, everything, so you guys can see how it looks next to a setup and you can make a decision for yourself. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so this is how everything looks when it's fully set up. Obviously I connected in wireless mode using the dongle. I turned off some lights so you guys can see the RGB better. I set it to pink. It looks absolutely great. It's set to 2.4 gigahertz. I connected it to my PC. It works straight away. It's plug and play. In terms of sound, it sounds absolutely amazing. We're gonna do a sound test in a bit. And in terms of responsiveness, super responsive. As soon as you press the button, it's there. Like, it's no input delay at all. And now I'm gonna try to do a sound test. I am going to get as close as I can to the keyboard so you guys can hear everything. So let's do that now. I think it sounds absolutely amazing and it feels absolutely amazing. You can customize everything. Of course, it's got rapid trigger, so you can customize the actuation points of each individual key. Again, read the manual, it'll help you a lot. The volume knob works straight away when you rotate it. It pops right there. I don't know if you guys can see. There we go. And yeah, pretty much that's it. It's a great keyboard. I will definitely recommend it. And if you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. Make sure you check their website out. They have more keyboards and more products, a lot of gaming accessories. They're really great. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.